Hi everyone, it's me, Sarah B, and I am opening up my third box from Dia & Company. Dia & Company is a subscription service. It's also just a store. You can just go on and buy the pieces that you like. But they offer subscription boxes and clothing in sizes, I think I always get this wrong, 14 to 32, something like that. My sizes. They cater to larger bodies, which I'm grateful for. I've had some really great boxes from Dia & Company. It's a little tricky this time because it's right after the holidays. Bank accounts are a little low. My kids had a good Christmas. Whoops. So we'll see what happens. This is my stylist tips and invoice, so we'll open this later. My shipping bag for sending back in the things that I don't want. You have 5 days to try things on and send things back. I should also add that you can pin things and say that's something you want to try. The stylist will throw it in your box. I didn't pin anything this time. And there was something else I was going to add. $20 to style a box, which is pretty on average. You buy anything, the $20 gets credited towards your purchase. Ta-da, it's really dense, heavy. Bundle. Yeah, I've been super happy with the things I've gotten. Oh, man. Oh, right off the bat. Look at this. From Molly and Isadora. I love this company. Okay, and for those of you who've been following me for a while, the front of this blouse is blouse material. The back of this blouse is jersey material. This is my total absolute favorite, and it's I'm learning it's the only way I can wear button-down anything without having like the stretch problem happen. I love this. I already love it, you guys. This is going to be good. Okay, so that's number 1. I think you get 2, 3, 4, 5 items per box. So it's kind of like Stitch Fix in that way. This is a... Oh, no. Oh, no, you guys. Oh, no. It's a jumper? Like one of those things with... It's all one piece, a romper, all one piece, but has legs. I'm going to try it on. That is the good and right thing for me to do. It's the good and right thing for me to do. I'm going to try it on. Okay. I don't know about that. Here is, oh, nice. It's just a, like, open front, cardigan, really soft material from Cameo Appearance. I love the color. I don't know, my light, you guys. It's kind of a green blue, but heathered. I really like it. It's very soft and lovely too. And then these next 2 pieces, well, the first one, okay. So they're plaid pants, but they're cut from the cloth, which is a brand I really am loving right now. Oh, and they're the skinny jeans that I like from them, but they're plaid. How much would I wear them? I guess in theory, I could wear them quite a bit. They're really stretchy. All right. My very first box from Dia, I got raspberry colored pants. And they are amazing, and I love them. And I wear them probably too often to work. Like, I'm going to be known as, like, the raspberry pant lady one day. And here's another pair of cut from the cloth pants. But these are trousers. And, like, a really nice dark gray. Oh, my God. Okay. I'm going to get changed and see how this all washes out. I think I might be in trouble, you guys. some really great pieces in here. And yeah, all right, I'll be right back. So I tried the romper on first because it's the one I'm least excited about. And I can see the appeal. I can appreciate the comfort and the pockets. And yeah, okay. But it's just not for me, guys. I just don't feel comfortable in it. I don't like the way I'm like, it's weird. But I tried it on, and I'm glad that I got an opportunity to try it on and to know that this is definitely not a style that I'm going to gravitate to anytime soon. And this is amazing, and I can easily see this becoming my like new favorite work outfit. The sweater is so comfy cozy and like long enough that you can like on, you know, super chilly days in the office. And like the color is beautiful, and I definitely need more color in my wardrobe. The pants are like the perfect length, really stretchy, comfy, really nice fit. And then the shirt, if I take this cardigan off, is like perfect office staple, you know? Exactly what you need, with the nice jersey back and the blousey professional front. Like, what more can you ask for? It's like 3/4 length sleeves and like really nice blousey hemlines. Yeah, I'm totally in love. Totally in love, you guys. I'm gonna just try on the other pair of pants, which I am also hesitant about, but we'll see. But like, you guys, this box is amazing. And here are the plaid pants, as if you couldn't tell. The fit is really great. They're super comfy, but I think it's a little too much for me. The plaid alone is nice. I don't know, maybe a plaid trouser I could pull off with, or like a black skinny. Like, I don't think I could do both. It's just too much. It's too extra for me right now. But they are super comfy. So maybe I will look on the website for just like black and then pin them for my next box, try them on, and see if they are a keeper for me. All right, let's get dressed and see how much all this costs and how it fits into my budget. Now it's time to look inside and see what it all costs. Like, probably least favorite. Okay, so here's my note from my stylist. Oh, I forgot to give feedback in my last box. And so she used, Amber used feedback from my previous boxes to curate a box for me. I need to do better about that. Sorry, Amber. For New Year's, I wasn't sure if you had any parties coming up for work or family, so I included this amazing black jumpsuit by Sabrina Collective. So you might be out of your comfort zone, but be sure to try it on before you are quick to turn it away. I appreciate that, Amber. And I did. I promise you. It's extremely soft and will look fabulous under the teal cardigan and some flats or heels. Yeah, the teal cardigan with that would be nice. Just don't like the belly in it. That's just me. Also, really inconvenient when you have to pee. Anyway, for another great option to wear to work or play, pair the gorgeous seasonless white blouse with the plaid pants or the gray trousers. Love the blouse. There are some special, be sure to check out our Dia shop. There are some special pieces only in the shop. Pick up to 3 pieces for your next box, and I'll surprise you with the other 2. I should do that. All right, ready? Here we go. The Sabrina Collective Hayward Wrap Bodice Jumpsuit. Ta-da! $72, which is about right for like a nice dress or, you know, a nice piece. It's not a dress, it's a piece. The Molly and Isadora 3/4 sleeve knit blouse is $55, and it is definitely staying with me. Like, it just is. It's, as Amber said, it is seasonless and it is perfect, so yes. The Davenport high-rise bootcut trousers in light gray, $79, which is a little more than I would want to spend, I think. But I do love them, like, a lot. And the fit is really nice. So this is something I need to think on. I do love them. I love them. Okay, thinking. The Cameo Nisha draped cozy waterfall cardigan in teal, oh my gosh, is $78. I can see what it would be. I can definitely say it's super cozy. The color is perfect. You just want to wrap yourself up in it and like not talk to anybody all day. I cannot justify spending $78 on this cardigan right now for as much as I love it, which is a sad for sure. Because I do love it, but I just can't justify it. And the Newcastle ankle skinny pant in charcoal gray and black, $79, which from a cut from the cloth brand is about what I would expect for sure. You guys, this was a really good box, and the prices are fair. I definitely think that that's the case. The sweater might be a little bit high, but again, considering the quality of it, it's not outrageous. The blouse is definitely coming with me. So if you were to buy the whole box, it would be $363 minus the $20 styling fee, minus 25% off. And to buy everything would only be, it takes $100 off, over $252.25 total. It's really good for such an amazing box. Unfortunately, as I am trying to be more mindful of my budget, especially as we go into this new fiscal year, I need to make a decision as to whether or not to keep these wonderful gray pants. I don't know. It's a lot. But it's $79 for the pants. I really like them. But here's the thing. I can't, okay, maybe if I can't justify it for this go round, maybe I can for another. We'll see. Because they have a shop. It's not like some other subscription companies that is just the subscription box and there's nothing else. They have like a proper shop. So let me see if I can make this work. Let me know if I should just keep them now. I do want to just keep them now. Anyway, the blouse is not going anywhere. I love this. And I think this would make a stunning back to work happy 2020. Yeah? I think that would be lovely. In any case, thank you as always for joining me. It's always so much fun to know I have people who are watching, and I always love reading your feedback and hearing your comments. Let me know what you think of this box. Let me know if I should have kept the romper. Maybe if I had like a party to go to, I could have justified keeping the romper. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you wear rompers? I don't know. I hope everyone is well and enjoying this holiday season. And until next time, take care.